Lagos, now they promise so. I must have it. The money when they promise me for this show, if they fulfill the promise, I go buy a hotel. Not be joke, oh. Ogares. Now for Ikoyi, they introduce me go get one shema. You know that the man promised me mineral resources. The idiots, they regular now, they post. Fool. Mr. Christopher, it will not be well with you, bitch. But when they promise me faith, I'm not really bothered because I'm a Benin boy. They're not a promise for you now. Benin a land of promise. Benin. Now Benin person promised me governor for beer parlor. Bro, as they perform, I the man say, other people are seeing comedy. I see leadership.